Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun, is a fascinating world filled with mysteries and surprises. It is the smallest planet in our solar system and one of the least understood. Despite being visible to the naked eye from Earth, much about Mercury remained unknown until recent decades. Its unique features, harsh environment, and history of exploration make it a captivating subject of study. Humans have known about Mercury for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations observed the planet in the sky long before telescopes were invented. The Sumerians mentioned Mercury as early as 3000 BCE. The Greeks gave it two names, Hermes and Apollo, depending on whether it appeared as a morning or evening star. Later, the Romans named it after their swift messenger god, Mercury. Even though Mercury has been known for centuries, its proximity to the Sun made it difficult to study. It wasn't until modern space exploration that scientists began uncovering its secrets. Mercury stands out for many reasons. Small size. Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, with a diameter of just over 3,000 miles. It's only slightly larger than Earth's moon. High density. Despite its small size, Mercury is the second densest planet in the solar system, after Earth. This is because it has an enormous iron core. Temperature extremes. Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperature changes in the solar system. Daytime temperatures can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 430 degrees Celsius, while nighttime temperatures drop to 290 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius. Slow days, fast years. A single day on Mercury, from one sunrise to the next, lasts about 176 Earth days. However, it completes an orbit around the Sun in just 88 Earth days, making its year much shorter than its day. Mercury may be small, but it's packed with surprises. No real atmosphere. Mercury doesn't have a thick atmosphere like Earth. Instead, it has an exosphere made of tiny amounts of oxygen, sodium, and hydrogen. This thin layer is constantly stripped away by solar winds. Ice in the shadows. Despite its scorching surface, Mercury has water ice at its poles. Some craters are permanently shadowed, keeping them cold enough to preserve ice. Shrinking planet. Mercury is slowly shrinking as its core cools, causing its surface to wrinkle and form steep cliffs called scarps. In 2004, NASA launched the Messenger spacecraft to study Mercury up close. This mission was groundbreaking, as Messenger became the first spacecraft to orbit Mercury in 2011. Over 4 years, it mapped the planet's surface, studied its magnetic field, and made incredible discoveries. Volcanic history. Messenger revealed that Mercury was once volcanically active. Ancient lava flows cover large parts of the planet, showing it had a fiery past billions of years ago. 2. Unusual surface composition. Mercury's surface contains elements like sulfur, which scientists didn't expect to find. 3. Magnetic field. Mercury's magnetic field is weaker than Earth's but still active, creating magnetic storms as it interacts with solar winds. Here are some fun facts about Mercury. 1. Double sunrises. Mercury's orbit and rotation create a strange phenomenon where the Sun appears to rise, set, and rise again in some locations. 2. Closest planet to Earth. On average, Mercury is the closest planet to Earth, even though Venus is often thought of as Earth's neighbor. 3. Thin crust. Mercury's crust is only about 300 miles thick, much thinner than Earth's. Why study Mercury? Studying Mercury helps scientists learn about the formation of rocky planets, including Earth. Its massive iron core, thin crust, and unique features provide clues about how planets form and evolve. Mercury's harsh environment also serves as a natural laboratory for studying the effects of solar radiation and magnetic fields. Understanding these conditions could help future space missions and teach us more about planets outside our solar system. What's next for Mercury? The next big step in exploring Mercury is the Bepi-Colombo mission, a joint effort by the European Space Agency, ESA, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, JAXA. Launched in 2018, Bepi-Colombo is expected to reach Mercury in 2025. It will build on Messenger's discoveries, studying the planet's surface, magnetic field, and ice deposits in greater detail. Conclusion: Mercury, the smallest and closest planet to the Sun, continues to intrigue scientists and the public alike. Its extreme temperatures, shrinking surface, and mysterious magnetic field make it a world of contrasts. Thanks to missions like Messenger and BepiColombo, we're uncovering more about Mercury's past and its role in our solar system's history. As we learn more about this tiny planet, it reminds us that even the smallest members of our solar system have fascinating stories to tell. Mercury may not be the easiest planet to study, but it offers invaluable lessons about our cosmic neighborhood and beyond.